Okay, since we've been on just a losing streak, I hope we win this time. If we don't, hey, at least we made it farther than the others. Compared to the others, compared to us, they're garbage. Mm-hmm. 40 contestants, 30 episodes, 2 groups, $1 million Pixar battle. So it is the 17th contest. This down contest. Only 3 of your team members will go. And Water News is eliminated.